So the girls are off on a hens weekend for Hannah, and I'm getting up to mischief. It's wide, you don't have to look straight into it, it's not square. 79 series of events.
Lean in like...
Powered by Red Bull.
Oh, the logo was... And occasionally, Monster.
It's like,
I was about to say mother.
And occasionally sponsored by your mother.
On this sneaky mission, Talus and I uncover one of Southeast Queensland's best kept secrets. This untouched coastal pearl is so remote, you'll be lucky to see another set of tracks or other people for days at a time.
So Talus and I are out here on Teewah Beach, and thought we'd give some drone fishing a bit of a go. I mean, it's been a little bit trial and error, but see how we go.
We quickly realised what a fuck around that was, so it was time for a feed.
Beautiful. Into your tent. That's for later.
That's dessert.
Oh yeah, we don't fucking have anything for dessert. Fireball.
Fireball and apple. Oh, Daddy, stop.
Daddy, keep going.
Yeah, see what the Mexican word for cow is. Well, I was just slicing up the lemon.
Mate, that's a lime.
You're lying. Yeah, they're from South Africa.
Play that funky music, Mexican boy.
Bit of lime. On it or in it?
Whatever you want, mate.
There's no law about lime. I mean, South African lemon.
I mean, no, that is getting hot at the body shop. Do something unholy.
Dog shit tacos.
Exorbitant B-roll.
A new day and a new opportunity to catch something you don't need a swab for. After feeding the fish for an hour, it was time to feed ourselves. And what better way than to ruin a Valencian favourite, paella.
Valencian paella. Chorizo.
Police and rangers patrol Teewah Beach a lot these days, looking for anyone who might be breaking the law. Lucky for us, butchering Spain's national dish isn't yet considered a crime.
I'm gonna put some Cholula in because why the fuck not? So it's like Mexican, Spanish, Valencian, Australian paella.
A bit of whiting.
No, it should just put fucking beer in it. You meant to put white wine, red wine.
I just put beer in it.
Don't know how it'd cook, but I need to add the wine now. Half a cup. That's good. Wine, beer, and half a cup of stock. I know that was probably a third.
I was going to get you right.
Yeah, well this actually has to cook down a little bit yet. Yeah, so now we simmer it. Give that a bit. Righto, so that's simmered itself silly. The next thing we're going to do is add some smoked paprika and some other shit. So I measured like 2.5 teaspoons of smoked paprika, but I just used the lid because I'm lazy. So I've used half a lid and we'll see how we go. Can of Tommy's. Oh, I don't have nails. Daddy.
You're like a fantasy.
So it's a 400 gram can. I'm just going to put like half a can. I think the recipe says the whole can, but I don't have enough rice. Since it serves like 6 people and there's only 4 of us, so.
Did you just call me fat?
No, one of you threw me. So Tommy's are in. Next thing is a bit more stock and the rice. I got Arborio rice, it's not the right rice, but then nothing else in this fucking thing is right either, so it'll be what it will be and it will work or it fucking won't. But I don't think you have to wash it.
No.
I don't know. Do you reckon I need to?
Yeah, chuck her in one.
You reckon chuck her in?
Yeah.
Starchy as fuck?
Yeah. You're right.
Oh, we'll know for the next time, won't we? That's half a packet. Perfect. I mean, I was stressing about a lid, but apparently you don't actually need a lid. You just leave it uncovered.
Yeah.
The best thing about this dish, not this exact one because this might be shit, but the regular one, is that you're actually supposed to just put the frying pan on the table and you eat from the frying pan. Like, you just take your, you normally do it in a skillet.
Yeah.
You know, on a fire that you can't have here, so. How much? I'm not sure. Probably another cup.
Yeah, well. You got 2 cups of rice, you put it in like.
If this ends up being alright, I will be so shocked. Because I'm thinking, oh, I'm gonna do a cooking segment. This will be fun. What can I cook? I know, I'll cook something I've never fucking even attempted before with rice I don't know how to use.
Your like head's out of the frame.
Oh really? I saw you shift to sports mode just then. Nice. Country road. That needs another 10 minutes, yeah. Yeah, maybe some water. Right, well then we put near enough a whole thing of stock in and like 300 ml of water, a cup of water. But who's measuring? I'm not. I've measured the damn fucking thing.
What's Australia's national dish?
I think it's fine. Bunning snag.
Still crunchy.
Really?
Yeah.
Fuck. Whack me makeshift lid on again. Hopefully this is the last time.
Many unbearable hours later.
Last but not least, the lemon. This is gonna be good. Freaking hope so. It took forever.
Weighty.
Yeah, it will be. It's got like fucking 3 litres of water in it. Lemon. Fucking delicious. Well, I actually really surprised myself.
Put there in the end.
Yeah, and it's not completely butchered. I mean, it's still butchered, but it's like professionally butchered.